Hello friends, today we will see how to use a tool which is offered by a Facebook that is known as Facebook Creator Studio. So in this tutorial we will see how to completely use the Facebook Creator Studio for posting your content on the Facebook, on the Instagram, whether your page is eligible for monetization. You can even schedule your post on Instagram and post, and more things you can do through this tool, which is very powerful tool which is offered by Facebook. So let's dive into that Creator Studio. First of all, sign in with your Facebook account. So as you can see, this is the URL business.facebook.com/creator studio. Now just sign in with your Facebook account. So this is the user interface when you will log into your Creator Studio account. So as I have already added my pages which I handle, my client pages and some of my own pages. So I have already added my pages. Basically, this page will automatically connected once you sign in with the account in of which you are admin or you are managing the Facebook page. So it will automatically add all the pages over here. Let me just go through this all the options which are available. So from the home you can see the typical thing as you see in on the Facebook, like posting your content, posting the content over the Facebook page. So now you have to select the page uh, on which you want to add the content. For my example, I want to add content on my personal Facebook page. So now this is the user interface which you see in the Facebook app also. So now you can write any content over here, you can add image, video, anything which you want. So here is the catch point, is that now on the Facebook you can only simply post or share the content at the same moment, but with the help of this Creator Studio you can even schedule your post, and even you can post content in the back date also. For example, today is 22 September, but if you want to post a content for 20 September, so you can do that thing also. Like you have to select the date, year and kind of thing, and the content will be posted in the back date. So this is a very useful feature which is offered by that Facebook. So you can try that also. Even you can boost your content directly from this Creator Studio only. So in our case we will not post or any kind of thing, this is only dummy thing. So you can try with that thing. In the schedule option you can even schedule your the post, like for the future post. So from the schedule post option you can select the date on which time or on which date your content need to be posted. So there is a one catch point, is that you can schedule your post like after the 20 minute what is the current time, and for the 75 days. So you need to just think about that before posting or scheduling any post from here. So this is the all about the home page, and even you can see the insight also. Like it is a over view, but we will go in the detail insight of the any page if you want to check it. So here is the complete thing about the posting. You can even add the story on the pages if you want, and you can even go live from this home option only. Now let's hover over to the option called content library. So here are the all the posts which you have posted to any pages. So from here you can see how much time that video has been watched, what is the average distribution, and you can see the date and who has posted it. Now even here you can see whether that content is eligible for monetization or not, and there are lots of things. And see, you can see all published posts, scheduled posts, the posts which you have scheduled for the future, and the posts which are not been published but are in the draft, you can see that thing. And then there is a expiry. If you means if you want any post to be expired after like 20 minutes or 50 days, whatever amount is that. And then there is a thing over here, expiry, the content which is already expired. So you can do that thing. And here is one more button of adding videos from here. So you can simply upload the videos from the content itself. Now here comes the story. So you can select any pages for which you want to see inside of any story. So from here you can see the story which you have posted on your Facebook page. So how that story is doing, what is the engagement, what is the unique open rate. So you can do that, you can check that thing also. And now videos you can cross post. So what does that mean is like a video. So video you can cross post, means like if a content is on a page called IndoAge, and if you want that content to be published on some other page, so you can do that thing. So that is known as video you can cross post. Now you can even create the playlist, like from the Facebook itself. You can't create the playlist for the video, so from the here you can create the playlist for, as you get this kind of feature in the YouTube itself. So you can even create the series like web series. So if you can there are lots of Facebook page who has a series, so you can do this thing from the series option. So like let's say Netflix has 4 episodes, so you can also create a create a series which have 7 episode, and what that kind of thing you can do from here. Now the clips is basically videos. So it's kind of video only. So because this Creator Studio is more kind of video oriented, so they have added a lot of feature to utilize for the video, as you get this kind of feature in the YouTube Studio. So you can play around that thing. Post timeline. So from here you can see the any page timeline. So on which date you have posted which type of content. You can see all the timeline of any pages. So this is uh, one of the option you get under the content library. Now let's come to the insight section. So insight is basically self-explanatory. So you can monitor any page's growth, like how much minutes has been watched on that page, what is the engagement rate, what is the follow rate, what are the top performing content on your page. So you can go through all the option, like how the post has been going, like whether it is going through organically or paid. So you get all the option. You can even change the date. You can see like today's performance. You can see last any. You can select any date as per your requirement. Now let's come to loyalty. So loyalty are basically are the followers who are the current follower your page, and they are coming again and again to watch your content. That is known as loyalty. Now comes the audience. So from here you can get a persona about your audience. What is the age group of your page followers, what is the gender, what the language use, what type of interest they have. So there are what type of page your viewer likes. So you can see all the type of so from here you can build a customer persona, like after posting a lot of content. So you can get a good amount of data from by the help of that. You can build a customer persona, and from the help of that data you can design content as per that user persona. So that is very handy thing. Now retention. So basically it means like how much how much time user is spending on your post, and how much they are sticking to your post. And from where the views are coming, like whether the Facebook is recommending it or whether it is coming from the followers. So you can do that, check that thing also. Last is earnings. So from this option, you, if your page is eligible for monetization, so you can just check it, what on which video you have earned how much money. As my any of page is not eligible for the monetization, so I can't have any data over here. Now they have given a story option differently. So you can see the story inside, like how much your story, how your story is performing, and how much engagement it is getting, what is the unique open rate. So you can check it off for any pages which you have linked to this Creator Studio. Now let's come to the inbox, from where you can see all the message which your page has been getting. So from here you can even check Messenger, if you can check Facebook, you can check Instagram, you can check the DM. So from here, one section only, you can manage all the message, whether it is a Facebook or whether it is of Instagram. Okay, now let's come to the monetization. So it basically tells you like whether your page is eligible for the monetization or not. Stream ads, you should have 10,000 follower, and 30,000 uh, minutes view of 3 minutes. So these are the thing. And the brand collab manager, so 1,000 followers you should have, 15,000 of post engagement, 1,80,000 minute views. So, and last is fan subscription. For this you should have 10,000 followers, 50,000 of post engagement, and 1,80,000 minutes view. So in detail they have also mentioned, like if your page is eligible for monetization, so you can see in from the in stream how much revenue you have earned, from the brand content how much you have done. Now from here you can see payout. You have to just link your payment option, monetization get enabled. So from here you can see how much money you have earned from the Facebook. So you can even withdraw that money to your account. And here are the now it is policy issue. So from here, if your page get any policy violation, so you will get a notification over, then you can resolve it, and you can review, and you can track why you got that kind of strike from here. Now last option next option is right manager. So once you upload the content over here, so basically if the content is yours, you have complete right over the content. So you can see that thing. Now here we have a creative tool. So basically it is a kind of a tool which is offered for the live dashboard. So when you go to live section, so you can change the background, you can do, there are lots of feature which is not eligible for my page, but I have studied. And from sound collection you can use the copyright free sound for your videos. Now from here you can change the page setting, like change the page admin, followers, and all the things you can do from here. You can add the person for any particular pages. And there is option called page settings and page quality, so which will redirect to your Facebook page. So you can do that thing also. Now they have the resources, so events, ad manager. So these are the option which you get for the Facebook. Now let's come to the Instagram. So in Instagram also there is not too much of options. So they have a content library, insight, monetization, and Instagram account. So I have already covered content library. Once again let me repeat it. So here you can see all the content which are posted on your Instagram account, like you can even filter it, like videos, post, cursor, story, IGTV. Soon there will be one more option added over here of the reel. So from there you can see the performance of your reel video which is recently added in Instagram. So you can do that thing, and the insight, so you can see the performance of your account, in profile visit, website, and all kind of metrics you can see, like website visit, profile visit, call, direction, email, text, what is the account reach, you can see it, how much the content is being reached by the user. So you can do that thing also, and impression. So you can check all the things from here. Now you can even monetize your Instagram page also, but it should be eligible. So you can see that thing if the page is eligible. So you see. So from here, request account for brand content portfolio. Your account isn't currently eligible for brand content portfolio because I do not. So these are the thing which. So these are the point which I need to be followed, or uh, which should be fulfilled. And the main point is that this option is only available for US based content creator, as I am in India, so I don't have this option. So soon Facebook will release this monetization option. Right now this monetization option is not eligible in the India. So soon they will release it. So once they release it, so these all the option might change, because India is a completely different market. So obviously they will increase their category criteria. Obviously they will increase or mention more points to get your page monetized. And last is option of account here. So you can add any as much Instagram account over here, and you can manage all the things. Hope you like this in-depth content creator studio tool, and soon I am releasing more marketing video on this YouTube channel, like about the SEO, like about the content idea, content calendar, and there are lots of content coming on this YouTube channel. So please do subscribe to this YouTube channel, and more marketing and web designing video is coming on to this YouTube channel. Thank you.